Vegelab could be just one of your next favorite places to enjoy your vegan meal. It is a vegetarian restaurant located in Cheras, and it has a wonderful selection of vegan food, which is super delicious whether it's takeaway or dine-in. I absolutely love the ambience there, with usually nice background music playing. Vegelab has really great, clean and cozy environment with warm and friendly staff. It just feels comfortable there and you want to stay and not simply eat and go. It's definitely one of the reasons I've been coming back over again. And they also have a self-service concept. Though it is a great place for dinner, I usually come here early afternoon to have coffee, do some work on my laptop, and of course have my lunch. So let's look at the vegan food they offer. I love the starters like salads, Vietnamese rolls, tempeh seaweed rolls. For breakfast, for vegan options, you have your veggie and tuna sandwiches, dumplings. There are plenty of pasta vegan options. Among other main courses, you have those huge platters, rice dishes. They can make vegan pizza with vegan cheese. Of course, there are these tasty burgers. And you also have satay, French fries for side dishes. Among drinks, they have coffee and lots of healthy beverage options. And you even have one vegan kind of cake. They actually made a list of all vegan dishes for your convenience. Let me share the vegan dishes I have tried at Vegelab, and I'll start with salads. The number one for me here is this quinoa and pumpkin salad. You can see how full of nutrients it is. Quinoa, pumpkin, nuts, fresh veggies and fruit. Amazing. My next favorite salad is nutty salad. Red dragon fruit, crunchy nuts, veggies and tofu together make this dish healthy and tasty. I love the combination of veggies and tofu in this Greek salad as well. These Vietnamese rice wrap rolls are absolutely delicious, especially served with this sauce. The tempeh seaweed rolls definitely make a great, colorful appetizer. Among sandwiches for breakfast, you have this veggie sandwich, which can be served with vegan cheese, and veggie tuna sandwich, which I found especially tasty. Now let's go to the main courses. My go-to plate is this red quinoa with veggie chicken served with char grilled veggies, king oyster mushroom, and mini roasted potatoes. And here is the meat and sea plate, a combination of fried soy meat chop, soy seaweed, fish and sausages, and it all goes with ginger pesto spaghetti. Thai pasta here goes with chilies, mock meat, which is roasted bean curd skin, and fresh basil. This is a newly added grilled veggie and tofu dish, and I absolutely loved the taste of this tofu. Fiery plate is quite nice as well. It goes with jasmine rice, with satay skewers, soy meat rendang, and crunchy pickled veggies. Check out this vegan Alfredo, creamy soy-based with mushroom sauce and some vegan cheese. Yum! But let me spend some time and talk about Vegelab burgers. Here's your absolute must-try BLT fried veggie chicken burger. You can also switch your charcoal bun if you like. But really, the taste is amazing. You have here a fried veggie chicken steak with black pepper sauce, red cabbage pickle, homemade mustard mayo, and as for vegan cheese. And here we go, you have it all. Another burger I enjoyed at Vegelab is this tofu burger, normally served with fries, but I asked for a salad instead. Again, ask for vegan cheese and enjoy the balance of the tofu, their special sauce, and vegetables. They have recently introduced new vegan things to the menu, and they're so worth trying, like this zero fish steak, mighty pilu ciabatta, omni veggie baguette, and zero chicken steak. And here goes the omni veggie baguette. This was my lunch, and it was more than enough. The omni meat here is simply fantastic. Here is a mighty pilu ciabatta, which we asked to cut into 2 parts. Trust me, it tastes as great as it looks, and I couldn't get enough of it. Now, this zero chicken steak is gigantic, seriously. It's either you're really hungry to eat it alone or you share it. The texture of the veggie chicken steak is quite nice. It is similar to the burger I told you about before. The steak is served with fries and veggies. And the last but not the least on the new menu is zero fish steak, which, just like the zero chicken steak, is huge. It is perfectly served with corn and veggies, and I love the texture of the steak, which goes well with this sauce. And what about their drinks? The top one for me that I order almost every time is lemongrass and ginger tea. It's amazing. I've also tried red dates ginger. You can imagine how healthy it is. There are also juices served with paper straws. And of course, you have your coffee, which I personally quite like there, whether it is black or latte with cinnamon or regular latte. The only vegan cake available is this chocolate cake that goes well with coffee. And they have vegan Kelava ice cream that comes in a wide selection here. I really like it with Americano coffee. What I also like about Vegelab is that they have some information related to the vegan food, how healthy it is, and how it helps our fellow animals. So, do I recommend Vegelab? Of course I do. You've seen for yourself the dishes I've tried here. So, come enjoy the nice environment and tasty vegan meals. Thank you Vegelab for such wonderful vegan food you make. We'll be definitely coming here again. Don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more videos about places with great vegan food.